nang litum hala title la pena thumbnail ke thek long son si la non litum ke claim kon je exercise la ke apps upon V-CUT ABS sculptor la sinili nang litum phan before after a photo tanang paklang lo secret ke la lo ilitum ajara kam ne claim sita claim lo nang ji nang li abatai si claim ke result long le deta hai batai ni long le deta hai sita nang li 21 days phan yong si claim polote first benefit bang ke nang li update ching hoi po second bang ke nang li result ke long pangcheng la si pini exercise ta participant ilitum ke claim a bang lo 12-day exercise challenge for apps la 12-day ke exercise apps phan lok le claim na. All right, let's get to work.
Taking
the next 30 seconds high stepping. 3 2 1 30 seconds high stepping. To make it harder, raise your knees as high as you can. Half the time. Three, two, one. The next 10 leg raises. 3 2 1 10 leg raises. If you feel it's too hard, put a little bend in your knees. The next 20 seconds flutter kicks. 3 2 1 20 seconds flutter kicks. Make sure your back is flat against the floor. Three, two, one. The next 16 heel touch, 8 each side. 3 2 1 16 heel touch, 8 each side. Keep your lower back on the floor. The next 10 bicycle crunches, 5 each side. 3 2 1 10 bicycle crunches, 5 each side. You shouldn't feel too much strain in your neck. The next 10 seated in and outs. 3 2 1 10 seated in and outs. This exercise targets your lower abdominal muscles. The next 10 windshield wipers, 5 each side. 3 2 1 10 windshield wipers, 5 each side. Don't rotate too far out of your control. seconds. High stepping.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. High stepping.
Preview.
You can feel your heartbeat quickening. Half the time.
Preview.
3, 2, 1.
Preview.
The next 10 leg raises. 3, 2,
Preview.
1. 10 leg raises. You shouldn't feel any pressure in your chest and shoulder area.
Preview. Preview.
The next 20 seconds. Flutter kicks. 3, 2, 1.
Preview.
20 seconds. Flutter kicks. Make sure your back is flat against the floor.
Preview.
3, 2,
Preview.
1. The next 16 heel touch. 8 each side. 3, 2, 1. 16 heel touch. 8 each side.
Preview.
It's a great exercise for all of your abdominal muscles.
Preview. Preview.
The next 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. 3, 2, 1. 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. You should feel your abs burning.
Preview.
The next 10 seated in and outs. 3, 2, 1. 10 seated in and outs. This exercise targets your lower abdominal muscles.
Preview.
The next 10 Spider-Man plank. 5 each side. 3, 2, 1. 10 Spider-Man plank. 5 each side.
Preview.
Make sure your body is straight.
Preview.
The next 30 seconds. Cobra stretch.
Preview.
3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Cobra stretch.
Preview.
This exercise stretches your abdominals. Half the time.